Okay, good day, students. Okay, we are going to do just a recap on what we discussed yesterday. Okay, so you already know the notes. That's the C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Then come back to C again. You already know them. This time we are going to play the chords. Okay, now chord is a combination of two or more notes. Okay, so as we are starting with the key C, I said already that in key C, your do is a C because we are playing key C. So your do is a C. That's your do. Moving on, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. You come back to your do again. Yes, we already discussed this one too. Now, with the hand positioning, I was talking about the chord, okay, for key C. I already said chords are made up of two or more notes. That means you should get three notes to get a chord, okay, for key C. Now, I said your thumb should be on your C. Then your index finger should be on the E. Then your ring finger will be on the G. To get your do, your middle finger and the pinky finger will not play some. So thumb, index, then ring finger on the G. The middle finger and the pinky finger are not going to play some. So you get your do for key C. Do. Now you can see that between the thumb and the index, there's a note that we didn't play. You can see there's D here. We didn't play D. Then we came to play the E. And between the index and the ring finger, there's another note that we didn't play. That is the what? The F. Okay. So when we are using the thumb, the index, and the the ring finger to play a chord, you should get one note between them. Okay, so you can see we use the thumb to play the C for do. Then we came to E. We left the D. Then we left the G to play the what? We left the F to play the G to get your what? This your do. Now, moving forward, you just jump, okay? You just jump to this because this is your re. Then you leave another note. So we are leaving the E. Then we come to the F. Then we leave the G. Then we come to the what? The A. Okay, to get your re. So with the re, you get what? D, F, then what? A. You get your re. So you can see do, re. Now, moving to the mi, you see always your thumb is playing the sophas that we said. For key C, we have do, re, mi. So always the thumb will be on the do for key C. Then the index and the ring finger will be having intervals of notes in it. So you can see the do we have D, C, E, then G. But the D and the F, we didn't play it. To get your do, re, you move the thumb to the normal melody re for key C. So you just move it to this one. This is your re. Then you leave a note. You come to the F. You leave another note. Then you come to the what? The A to get your re. Then with the mi, you see the mi is this one. You bring your thumb here. You leave a note. Then you put your index finger on the G. Then you leave a note. Then you put your ring finger on the B to get your what? The mi. Okay. Now with the so do re mi fa fa. The fa is this. That one, you bring your thumb on the fa, you leave a note, you put your index on the next note. That is the what? The A. Then you leave another note. Then you put your what? Your ring finger on the C. So you can see there are intervals. We have left note, left note. But these three hands are playing the thumb, the index, and the what? The ring finger. Okay, so we have to always, the thumb will be on the actual key you are playing, okay, for the melody, key C. So do, re, mi, fa. Now, you can note that whenever we want to play a chord, the thumb will always be on the melody or the note, the single note. Okay, so this is fa. Now, if you are playing the fa chord, root chord, the thumb will be on the fa. You leave a note, then you come to the next one. So this is your A. Then you leave another note. Your ring finger will be on the next one to get your fa. Now I'm playing the so. You just jump. This is note so. Note so. Okay, this is a so note. Your thumb will be on the so. Then you leave a note. Then you bring your index on the next one. Then you leave a note. Then you bring your ring finger on the next one to get your so. Okay. Now the la. This is note la. Your thumb will come here. Your index will come here. Then your ring will come here. So you can see all of them. They are leaving one notes between them. Okay, so this is your what? Your la. Now the T, you jump, your thumb will come to the next one. Your index will be on the next. You leave a note. Your index will be on the next one. Then you leave another note. Then your ring finger will be on the what? The next one. So this is your what? T. Then you can see we are coming back to where we started again. Do. So C, E, G again. Do. Okay, so it's very simple.